గజిబిజి గణితాన్ని గజిబిజి లేకుండా చెప్పడమే మా లక్ష్యం. దానికి మీరు చేయవలసింది మా శ్రీలత కొత్త మ్యాథ్స్ క్లబ్లో జాయిన్ కండి. మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ ద మ్యాథ్స్ గేమ్. ఉందా? ఏమీ భయపడకండి. I am here ఇటువంటి వారి on this topic is trigonometrical okay. Cot theta is equal to 7/8. Then find the values are 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus into 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, and second one is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Given value is cot theta. Cot theta equal to 7/8. What is cot theta? Cot theta is equal to PBP. Wow. It's very important quotation in trigonometrical ratios. Cot ratio is, this one is for a bag of penunda, bapu. The sine is P by H, cos is B by H, tan is P by B, and that opposite is cosec is H by P, sec is H by B, cot is B by P. Okay, cot ratio is B by P. What is B? What is B? B mean base. Base mean adjacent. Base mean adjacent side of theta. And what is P? P mean opposite, perpendicular. Perpendicular mean opposite side of theta. Okay. On this place, cot value is given 7/8. This one is adjacent is 7 and opposite is 8 is given. Draw the triangle, rectangle, triangle. I will draw the rectangle, triangle. This one is the rectangle, triangle. This one is A and this rectangle is B and this one is C. Rectangle opposite is always hypotenuse. Okay. I will see it from the A side. This is the theta. This one is opposite. This theta is, this one is opposite. Opposite. And other side is base. Base means adjacent. Okay. On this place adjacent is given. Adjacent is 7. On this place opposite is also given. This one is 8. Opposite is there, adjacent is there. I will find the value is hypotenuse. How can I find out? Pythagoras theorem is there. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Two sides square sum equal to hypotenuse square. Okay, is the Pythagoras theorem. What is the one side? One side is AB square. And other side is BC square. Two sides square sum is equal to hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square means AC square. AC square. Right? AB is equal to, what is AB? AB is adjacent. Adjacent is 7 square. Plus BC, BC is opposite, opposite is 8, 8 square is equal to AC square. 7 square means 49 plus 8 square means 64 is equal to AC square. 49 plus 64 is equal to 113 is equal to AC square. This implies AC is equal to root of 113. Okay, AC is also, hypotenuse is also root of 113 is there. Then first find out value is 1 plus sin theta. Sin value, cos value మనం find out చేస్తే first ది మనం చేయొచ్చు. Okay, I will find the value sin theta. Sin ratio is P by H. Sin ratio is P by H. What is P? P means perpendicular, mean opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. Okay. What is P? Opposite. What is opposite? Opposite is 8 by hypotenuse root 113. And next one is cos theta. What is cos? B by H. B mean base mean adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. Okay. What is adjacent? 7 by hypotenuse mean root of 113. Okay. Sin value is there, cos value is there. Find the first one. The first one is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This one is since a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square formula. Same as it is, a plus b into a minus b is 1 plus sin a equal to 1, b is equal to sin theta. Then a plus b into a minus b. Okay, same as it is, 1 plus a plus b into a minus b is equal to 1, b is equal to cos theta. Then this implies 1 square minus a square minus b square into sin theta square by 1 square minus cos theta whole square. Okay, 1 square mean 1, this implies 1 square mean 1 minus sin theta whole square. What is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to 8 by root 113 whole square divided by 1 square mean 1 minus cos theta whole square. What is cos theta? 7 by root 113 whole square. Okay. This implies 1 minus a minus b whole square is equal a minus b whole square is equal to a square by b square. A by b whole square is equal to a square by b square. Formula as it is, 8 square mean 8 square means 64 by root 113 square means square root cancel 113. Okay, root 113 square is equal square root cancel 113 divided by 1 minus 7 square. 7 7 is 49 minus root 113 whole square means square root cancel 113. Okay, is it clear? Next step. This implies 1 mean I will take 1 by 1, 1 mean I will take 1 by 1. Mathematical fundamental formula is then no change the value, I will submit the 1. అంటే ఇక్కడ వాల్యూ చేంజ్ కాకుండా మనం 1 సబ్మిట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, 1 రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ 113 into 1 113 minus 1 into 64 64 by 113 into 113 divided by 113 into 113 minus 1 into 49 by 1 into 113. Okay, is it clear? Then this implies 113 minus 64 is equal 49 by 113 divided by 113 minus 49 is equal to 64 by 113. This implies 49 by 113. This denominator is goes to numerator place. Change the numerator is denominator. Denominator is numerator. Then 113 by 64. 113 by 64. 113 cancel. This implies 49 by 64 is the answer. Okay, 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta value. 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is equal 49 by 64. Okay, is it clear? First problem is close. Next, second one. Okay, write down. What is second one? Second one is 1 plus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta by cos theta is equal to 1 plus, this implies 1 plus sine theta. Sine theta means 8 by root 113 divided by cos theta. This implies 1 plus sine theta. Sine theta means 8 by root of 113 by cos theta 7 by root of 113. Then this implies 1 means 1 by 1. Root 113 into 1. Root 113 into 1. Root 113 plus 1 into 8 by root 113 into 1 root 113 by 7 by root 113. Then this implies root 113 plus 8 by root 113 into this denominator place is goes to numerator place. Numerator is denominator, denominator is numerator. Then root 113 by 7. Then this one is cancel. Root 113 cancel. This implies root of 113 plus 8 by 7. Then 1 plus sine theta by cos theta value is equal 8 plus root of 113 by 7. That is the answer. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt? ఇక్కడ మరొకసారి I will explain once more. మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి వాల్యూ cot theta is equal to 7 by 8 ఇచ్చేసి ఈ 2 వాల్యూస్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమని చెప్పేసి ఈ 2 వాల్యూస్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం కోసం ఇచ్చిన cot theta యొక్క రేషియోను కనుక్కుంటున్నాం. ఆ రేషియోలకు సంబంధించినటువంటి ఫండమెంటల్ ఫార్ములా అనేది ఈ విధంగా మీరు ఎప్పటికీ గుర్తుంచుకోండి. b by p. b అంటే ఎప్పటికైనా బేస్ మీన్ అడ్జసెంట్, p అంటే పర్పెండిక్యులర్ మీన్ ఆపోజిట్. ఆల్వేస్ ఆర్ రిమెంబర్ ఇట్. ఓకే, cot theta is equal to b by p. b mean base mean adjacent side of theta and p mean opposite side of theta. Then 7 by 8. 7 means adjacent side 7 and opposite side is 8. And find out the value is hypotenuse. How can I find it? Pythagoras theorem is there. What is Pythagoras theorem? Two sides square sum equal to hypotenuse square. That is the Pythagoras theorem. One side is AB square and other side is BC square is equal to hypotenuse square means AC square. Then AB square is equal to 7 square plus BC square means 8 square is equal to AC square. 7 square means 49 plus 8 square means 64 is equal to AC square. Then 113 is equal to AC square. AC is equal to root 113. Adjacent is there, opposite is there, hypotenuse is there. All trigonometrical ratios are easy, simply you find out. Sine value, cos value. These two trigonometrical ratios is important in the question has. Then find the sin theta value. Sin theta equal to P by H. P mean perpendicular mean opposite side of theta mean H mean hypotenuse 8 by root 113. Cos theta mean B by H. B by mean adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse 7 by 113. Then find the value is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. 1 mean 1 plus sin theta mean 8 by 113 by cos theta mean 7 by root of 113. Then cross multiplication. Root 113 into 1 root 113 plus 1 into 8 by 1 into root 113 by 7 by root 113. Then 1 root 113 plus 8 by root of 113 into this denominator place is goes to numerator place. Change the numerator is denominator and denominator is numerator. That's why root 113 is goes to upper side and 7 is goes to downside. Then cancel root 113. Then root 113 plus 8 by 7. Then 1 plus sin theta by cos theta is equal to root 113 plus 8 by 7. Okay, is it fine? Is it clear? Okay. I will go to the next problem.